Controversial Masvingo teacher DJ Masomere, popularly known as DJ Masomere, is in trouble over his bossing of ZANU PF leaders and supporters at the just ended party conference. Sanabina mashoko aiwatuna kuti mkumana anonzi DJ Masomere anozikamwa anozviti ndiye DJ wesadaki upinzo pama 1 Yojamukira nevakomana ve the ruling party ochisvipiwa manje. Not subscribe or like or turn the bell kutipinda pana pamuda mnikomjis. According to sources who attended a ZANU PF Harare provincial meeting, there were concerns that DJ Masomere was overstepping his bounds and usurping the authority of the National Commissar. Concerns were raised about a young DJ overstepping his bounds and usurping the National Political Commissar's authority. It was said, even at the Bulawayo conference, he was there saying Midlands Muriko Uko Itai slogan. It was asked what position he holds, where he comes from, and what mandate or a clause from the constitution allows him to be doing what he does at the very party occasion. Masomere, who is a teacher at Ndarama High School in Masvingo, made waves in the run-up to the 2023 general elections as a master of ceremony at the ZANU PF factions. Panapavarku state in event Panovano Mzivira. He was also seen by inauguration by Kauniko Iowa, Achi threatener Iowa. A popular singer anozika unonzicha praise vanoziva situation iyi ende vanhu vanoziva kuti pese pese aiwa anoshandisa chisimba kana kuti anoshandisa aiwa talent yake yekugona kutaura zvinodraw attention vanhu. Zvada kuona kuti the ruling party ava ku override mapowers nemamwe malimits nemabounds evamwe vari kumusoro kwake. Zvada kuona kuti aiwa issue yake yochigarwa pasi. Amene zviputidze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro aiwa this DJ. Pina comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like.